What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house. Today we are going to practice day at the US Open. We have 3 separate patterns. This is the only tournament of the year we have a bowling ball limit. So today is about discovering the 3 patterns, kind of where to play, what you should do, and what 10 balls you're going to bring for the 3 rounds of qualifying here at the US Open. So hardest tournament of the year, partially because of the ball limit and partially because the patterns are absolutely brutal. I'll take you through kind of some of the balls that I'm going to bring as well as some of my buddies.
I won the Players Championship last week. Did you guys see that or no? I'm starstruck by Bill O'Neill to my left. You're just here. We're just watching you strike, and then I have to follow it up on the camera, and I almost throw it in the gutter.
Sorry I'm making you nervous in practice.
I know, dude. We'll get over it. Embiid's not my MVP.
What squad are you on? So you know what? I'm on C.
Speaking of which,
so you get to watch what I do first.
Yeah.
Speaking of Joel Embiid, I mean, he can only miss 6 more games until he's out of the MVP race.
Yeah, he's out.
yeah. He already knew this from the get-go.
Oh my God.
Kevin's ball's too soft.
He's got soft balls.
I'm overwhelmed, guys.
He's got soft balls.
I'm overwhelmed.
Yikes, Kev.
I'm nervous, dude. What do you want from me? Bill's not to my left to heckle me and talk about how he's the 2024 Players Champ. Like, I can just dial in and make a shot.
He's not gonna strike.
Now Tom's talking and I can hear him.
He's chirping.
Put $1 on it? $1? Yeah.
Action. That's why he won. He doesn't even have $1 on him.
Yeah, bro. I would have had a right to an IOU for sure. I'll get you change for sure.
I saw him bowl. I was giving him 10-1.
I'll get. Damn. For sure. Dude, can we run that all year long, 10-1 on like cashes or something? That would be awesome. Which is way cooler than
Also, I put my thumb in it, so my ball hooks less on this. So.
Big wheel.
Is that it?
I think that's it. That might be it for the short pattern. So the short pattern's 39 feet, which means there's a little bit of oil on the lane at least. I'm either going to throw the blue or the black one, but for right now, I think the blue gives me the best look. It's also the riskiest.
Anyone want to bet me $5 that Packy still finds a way to throw the purple? Anybody at all? Anybody?
No.
Anybody?
Blue or black? No purple.
Okay. Everyone quote that.
I'll throw it on the other pattern.
Matt, just keep this in mind, okay?
Quick little break in the action. I want to let you guys know about a 20% off coupon you can use at thehousebowling.com to grab any of our merch. All you got to do is use code USOPEN for 20% off everything on thehousebowling.com. Let's get back into the action.
Too much. All right, big dog. All right, big dog, let's go. I don't mind that.
We're trying to get 2 shots. Jason's backing up the 360.
AWS next man stands versus AS.
US Open week, boys.
US Open ready.
Oh yeah, that was the first shot.
Too fast. Yeah. that plastic?
It was indeed.
Tell them the strategy there.
Stay out of trouble. First pattern's hard. You know, plastic a little bit on the level.
Is the case.
Celsius, please sponsor me. Make it cheaper.
Like, what balls are we thinking? If we're adding balls to the bag just after pattern 1, what do we got? How many?
I think there's 1 or 2 that I'm missing. Probably talking to the ball reps.
I'm just talking balls that you know you're throwing on pattern 1.
That I'm gonna throw.
For sure.
Look like the hitter, NV2 are solid. Purple hammer.
What?
Maybe purple hammer. Maybe the black. I don't know. Maybe I'll be that righty that checks in too.
Ooh, you don't use a spare ball, so it's fair.
Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see.
I mean, come on.
Well, it's your time, it's your time.
I mean, just saying.
Close.
I hope he gets 3.
Off the left.
These things.
What do you mean these things?
These little things that record make me do that a lot.
Cams. Old cams.
Yeah.
Give him the pipe because AJ said I can't. Works every time it works.
That's what I'm saying.
Ball's going in the bag, speed's going in the bag.
All right, guys, thank you for sticking around all the way to the end. Those are some of the 10 bowling balls I'm bringing. The full list is gonna be right up here. And thank you guys for sticking around. Our practice day, the balls we're bringing, the areas we're playing, and how and why this tournament's gonna be absolutely brutal this week. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, coming out with another video from day 1 of the US Open.